Hello, Lees-McRae family. Where did this summer go? This summer, I believe, was the fastest, most action-packed summer that I can remember in my 8 years at Lees-McRae. This year's class sets an all-time record for on-campus enrollment. That growth is a testament to the fact that we are a unique, highly experiential, distinctive institution. As our students come back to campus, they will be experiencing some new things. Our Bobcat Way housing project has made great progress this summer in its construction as we look forward to opening that facility to our students, as well as housing for some of our faculty and staff next August with the entering class of 2027. Also, in just a few weeks, we will finish up the bridge replacement project over the Elk River as the last final piece of our Hurricane Helene cleanup. A number of other new renovation projects are ongoing. Thanks to a $1.5 million gift from Robert and Melanie Niblock, the Burton Center for Student Success will be transformed into the Niblock Center for Student Success that brings together our career office, our academic counseling areas, our academic advising, the writing center, and our tutoring and support services to make sure that our students have every opportunity for academic and career success moving forward. Also, a number of new athletic initiatives are taking place. We announced the start of a Bobcat baseball team that will take the field next year in the spring of 2028. Work is already beginning in raising the funds and securing the donations we need to construct that new baseball facility. At the same time, we will be putting artificial turf on our women's flag football field and artificial turf on our women's softball field. Those enhancements make sure that Bobcat Athletics will stay at the forefront of competitiveness within Conference Carolinas. And finally, I'm proud to be able to announce that upcoming this fall, the college will be featured in a new nationwide television series with renowned naturalist and outdoorsman Jeff Corwin that focuses on the unique natural and wildlife environments that are here in North Carolina. Every episode of this show will feature Lees-McRae students and faculty, and even some of our alumni in their work showcasing the beauty of the Tar Heel State. More information about this show will become public over the next few weeks as we work with the production company in making our grand public announcement about this upcoming show. The national attention that this will bring to Lees-McRae comes at a time when the college is already on an upward trajectory. And the momentum that this is going to do to accelerate the trajectory of the college is really going to be unbelievable for Lees-McRae. Bobcat family, we are thriving. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for cheering us on. And I hope that you continue to cheer with pride as Lees-McRae continues to achieve things that none of us ever dreamed possible. Go Bobcats as we have a fantastic fall.